Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
Joshua Stephen Brown died 1st of December 2012, aged 21. (246-71827), Warrant Officer, Class 2, Wayne Cuckson, Queen's Gallantry Medal, the Royal Logistics Corps, died 6th of April 2011, aged 44.
Commended after freeing a wounded police officer from a helicopter shot down by the IRA in Northern Ireland in 1994. He was killed in a motorbike accident on the 5th of April, 2011.
(25050-171), Sapper Daniel A. Watson, Corps of the Royal Engineers, died 12th of June 2000, aged 21. (742-128), Sergeant Pilot Dennis Noble, RAF, killed in action August 30th, 1940, aged 20.
Dennis Noble was flying a Hurricane Mark I aircraft near midday. A battle developed near Brighton as Hurricanes engaged Heinkel bombers and their fighter escorts. During the fight, one of the Hurricanes was seen to tilt earthwards. A few moments later it was in a near vertical dive at full throttle and crashed near the junction of Portland and Woodhouse Road, Hove, Sussex. The force of the impact blasted a crater in the pavement and drove the wreckage deep into the ground. Essential service was severed at the time and great importance was placed on making repairs to the main road as quickly as possible. Sadly, very little of Sergeant Noble's body was formally buried. It was said later that the coffin was rumored to have had bricks added to make up the weight. It was also rumored that the majority of the body remained under the road. This is probably the main reason why the wreck had not been recovered earlier, as it would cause much embarrassment and distress if further remains of an already buried airman were to be found. 56 years later, an individual gained permission from the local council for an excavation to take place around the crashed site. A short while into the dig, the pilot's unopened parachute was discovered, followed by what may be described as a substantial portion of the body, and immediately reported to the police, who in turn informed the coroner. The remains of Noble's Hurricane, including the parachute hanging above, are on show in the Tangmere Aviation Museum, Kent. It includes many items from his aircraft, commemorating Dennis' short life, together with items donated by his family.
C/JX184094, Seaman Adam Allen, died 1st of November 1940, aged 22. (4979724), Private Gervase Shaw, the Sherwood Foresters, died 29th of March 1943, aged 26. (838/111), Nicholas Kirk, died 28th of July 1946, aged 31. (5047789), Private Wilfred Taylor, the North Staffordshire Regiment, died 5th of March 1944. 1569854, Gunner George Henry Pass, Royal Artillery, died 21st of September 1943, aged 23. SS/112473, Stoker First Class, John Sutton, died 27th of November 1918, aged 24. (70128), Private Herbert Crossland, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 15th of September 1917.
Herbert was working as a coal merchant before he enlisted in Retford. He served with the 16th Battalion, Sherwood Foresters. He was wounded on the 1st of August, 1917, but later died from these wounds at a military hospital in England on the 15th of September.
26906, Private John Breddy, Wiltshire Regiment, died 12th of July 1917, aged 20. (4979324), Private Alfred Skelton, the Sherwood Foresters, died 13th of September 1941, aged 21. (9141), Charles Levick, died 12th of November 1914. (1679250), Kenneth Hird Davison, died 5th of June 1945, aged 21.
Kenneth Hird Davidson, on board a Lancaster which had taken off from Juvincourt, bound for England with ex-prisoners of war, when the aircraft had a wing structural failure, and plummeted to the ground, killing all on board.
(32752), Gunner John Thomas Dugdale, Royal Field Artillery, died 8th of August 1916. (4351), Private Henry Mountenay, Durham Light Infantry, died 6th of April 1916. (72645), James Pettinger, died November 21st 1917, aged 20. (9339), Corporal Vincent Patterson, Lincolnshire Regiment, died 7th of November 1915.
Vincent Patterson was serving in the army during the South African War and had been a regular soldier for 28 years at the outbreak of the war, when he volunteered his services again. Patterson enrolled at Retford and joined the Special Reserve. He later served with the 3rd Battalion Lincolnshire Regiment. He served on home duties, and during that time he was admitted to Kylingholm Hospital with suspected pneumonia. He was later transferred to Grimsby District Hospital with acute pneumonia. His health steadily became worse, and he died on the 7th of November, 1915.
389, Sergeant Major Arthur Enright Watson, Lincolnshire Regiment, died 6th of April 1915.